Remember the difference between a man and a woman. Maybe if you are saying that only you could know about Germany.
I believe in forgiveness. And the Bible says if you don't forgive, God will not forgive. So I don't think anything will not let me say I wouldn't forgive her. Yeah. I don't think. Even cheating.
What will you do on the spot if you caught your husband with another woman?
I'll just leave.
What?
Yeah.
Asantewaa.
Yes.
Afua.
Yes. I'll leave. Go and cry for an hour or two and move on. Or I'll do you some. Then we start afresh.
Do who some? Of what?
That's a cat.
If you are see a way, know your level. Shatawale boy want it. Or say I know my level. That money do bana say. Are you willing say obi kwa butine suwa or the back channel? Can you boni o? Eyodo. But odo no wahu. Say that money do bro or bad the suwa Jimmy Samson na oba money ka. Hello, everybody. I'm in check and see Ns3m Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. And the mother show a DB. Now me pacho no hard feelings. Me pacho the difference between a man and a woman. Me the if you are saying that only you know about German here. You got here interview be out here me Kofi.
I'm a Christian. I believe in forgiveness. And the Bible says if you don't forgive, God will not forgive. So I don't think anything will not let me say I wouldn't forgive her. Yeah. I don't think. Even cheating, God forbid. So the good book says, even in that space, if you think you love her, just take her back. So
she was quick to leave you, you know. What will you do on the spot if you caught your husband with another woman?
I'll just leave.
What?
Yeah.
Asantewaa.
Yes.
Afua.
Yes. I'll leave. Go and cry for an hour or two and move on.
You will call it quits?
Yes.
Why?
And so up a fufu.
That's not ground.
Oh. Or I'll do you some. Then we start afresh.
Do who some? Of what?
That's a cat. No, I always say that you can forgive someone, but
Also, ya masho. Bemanu titin to tole back follow back. What's it one of your quarters of big to the years on the back channel? Jimmy. What's on the back channel? What's what the back channel because you're a Christian? Only some Bible say I don't want to do a job for a reason. Bible say Jano for a reason. What's on your what the back check? No, we are no some so bano and not checking the answers. No, 1 year home or say I'll leave him. I say even if I forgive him, I also do some. I say me kwanyem kra no ba be me kunu. Ah, aye de. What do me be? If you are see a way, know your level. Shatawale boy want it. Or say I know my level. That money do bana say. Or you willing say obi kwa butine suwa or the back channel. Can you boni o? Eyodo. But odo no wahu. Se be money do bro or bad the suwa Jimmy Samson na be money ka. Bema bia oka say me de me hu me yere say obi dinam the back channel bia na wa Jimmy because I don't know bro or bad the no so. What you say? Now check the woman. Woman, no, she's talking science. I say, I'll leave him. Oh, who's your titi? Or beja, sabe on Bema no want me kwa nimo. But I say, I'll leave. Oh, yeah, you say, sabe who cry, Miss Moko di me home. Ya wa money be ho and then me to sabe. I'm to make catch up who say who di ho, Miss me di me home. So ba ni jano. Wa planning when the chimney that. Enti one nam nyina no osa was second hand wo ho. What spy or option or as our option no ever hold him say that be able to be giant to Jan pet on super cop. Or no new numbing when Tim said, we bet me could do be to so be me up Edino. That's the society that we are in. The last catch or kind say, me benyam gram the bemano, eh, day and my ya woman. Ya and Columba brain ya mo. The brain ya ma. Bebre ya kwanyem ne dia saying because bema and your batia sabe bema yi ni chimu fine eno ti na Bible nim no Adam odu won na ne yere ka kire no onim se ne yere no wo ya fa ne sen asem papa ma no enra mitie papa bi asem o se o sheda ko baabi no ko baabi no okobo no ho ban ne mani nkosua bi se onfansie ye mani fa kosua ne mo bia boba na dwubi si ntim se to nkosua foforo na fa koma wo yire na ka che ne se ukọ baabi ne ese unkọ nyina ahye nkosua mu enti o ne sa no ni sa nkosua koma ne yire no kipi jani wano da papa ni ni nya tokwa no oba ni kodem ai so ma me buafu se so wiase nyina ahye no ni kosua le po de pae la papa se anje nkoku me yes ankoku anko video enti bema ye bema de bema po de enye bibia ne ka kire ye yerenom emema ne bi ye titinto a omubutu am yere nso ansam mo ka no oba okodi ye nyina so obeka wa jimi saa na okeka ne nyina a kire wo ede na wo bema wonim se wo yire so bai se nete. You have to know the mind of your wife and what your wife can do. Wo yire de onim se wo oche wo beja wo so wo de tintintonti wo se wo de wo che wo yire a wo de beche no pacho ye bo Yesu na ngira hobi Yesu ba na wo Yesu kura se Yesu de wanka aware ho se David oni wanka aware ba Bible ne se uko hu sa jai when na kire se be ma no na busuafo no omonti ase ana I say be ma no so agimi dodo because eniam oye no mi hu ni ami ti say oba ni no hu bi daw se die nyo because me ni o ami ti ase wo ba pa wo hia no na fe wu kika sem se no enti oba ni nim se wanya ofo unim say de bia o spouse na ono feel say the other can live no sa spouse no jimi mo onim say untimi nya no enti na wo ye be ma sebe udo yire kwa fa say otrim emma wo yire hu say without her no you can live wo yes jimi anu ajimi because wo yes pe o be start jimi a kire wo ade no eyo de kra no enko ka say your thing is the sweetest and I'll never leave you enko siasa ba ko mema so ye no ye butusu ani e kantam unim say who have sex ni abeka bia no nyakopa som etu ka say I'll never leave you not now ko leave I'll never chop anyone na ko chop pe asamato unim ameka kire wo yesu anyansa mema no bebre agime dodo ukwa eti say papa we kunu ne de ani agimie sa Xposed ye cheve Bruce subscribe share me too ma announce aka bi manuasi